period without rain? Drought. Next, violently rotating columns of air that touch the ground. Okay, tornado. And next is powerful tropical storm characterized by strong winds. It is a typhoon. So all of you got the correct answer. So I'm going to give you 20 points